David, Kevin, Solomon, Joseph, Joseph, son of Nathan, Samson, David, Duncan, Clinton, Cosmas, Sarafina, Hassan, James, Uma, Neno, Kevin, Victor, Gary, Edward, Award. So let's begin our session. So in our previous session, we learned on algorithms or pseudocodes and flowcharts. So today in our session, so by the end of this session, you'll be able to understand the need of maintenance, and you also understand, you also differentiate between types of code. So you differentiate between the types of code which are the source code, the machine code, and object code. So code maintenance. So you should understand maintenance. So maintenance of a code, it means the way you modify a code. So in our session, we are going to write a code, then we will do a modification. So we write a code that will identify the largest number amongst three numbers. Then you will modify the code to identify the largest number among five numbers. So we learn that we have a program that we identify the largest number among three numbers. So how did we say we begin our program? How do we begin our program? Yes, your name? Clinton. Public class. So we write public class, and you consider the case. It should be the lower case. Public class. Then we write the program name. So the program name will be largest number. Largest number, and we say you initialize the first characters. Largest, it begins with the uppercase, and the number is an upper case. From there, what are we supposed to do? You open the curly bracket. What is the next line? Yes? Public static. Static void main then you open a bracket, string, so it should be the same line, string, then you open and close the bracket, then ARS, then you close the bracket. From there, what are we supposed to do at the end of the line? You open the curly bracket. So the next line will be, we introduce the scanner. So we say scanner, then you repeat scanner, beginning with the lowercase, then equal sign, new, scanner, open the bracket, system in, close the bracket. From there, what are we supposed to do at the end of the line? Yes? We terminate using the semicolon. So the semicolon is a must. Otherwise, if you leave the semicolon, it will be a syntax error. So what is the next line from there? So we introduce a prompt which will prompt the user to key in the first number. So I want us to introduce comments. So comments are necessary in a document so that they can show the person who is coming to read the program can easily understand what is happening in the program. So when writing a comment, begin with double / then you say input the numbers. So when writing comments, you use the English which can be easily understood by the reader. So input the numbers, so we begin to input the numbers. So to input the numbers, we prompt the user what to do. So in order for us to prompt the user, we say we write system dot out dot print. So for prompt we say we use print, but when we want to display we say print line. So we open the bracket, then we prompt the user to enter the first number. So we say enter the first number. Enter the first number, and close the bracket, and always remember to terminate the program. Use the semicolon, terminate. So from there, we int number with num1. So that's the first number. You can say num1, or you can use any letter to represent the first number. So if num1 is equal to, we say scanner dot next int, open and close the bracket, then we terminate using the semicolon. From there we prompt the user to enter the second number. So I want one of you to come and write the prompt